Hello guys, I want to explain about part of computer. Let's go. 1. Processor. A processor is an integrated electronic circuit that performs the calculation that run a computer. A processor performs arithmetical, logical input or output and other basic instructions that are passed from an operation system or OS. Most other processes are dependent on the operation of a processor. 2. ROM. ROM is an acronym for read-only memory. It refers to computer memory chips containing permanent or semi-permanent data. Unlike RAM, ROM is non-volatile. Even after you turn off your computer, the content of ROM will remain. 3. ALU. An arithmetical logic unit or ALU is the part of a central processing unit that carry out arithmetic and logic operation on the operands in computer instruction work. 4. Expandable memory. Expanded memory is a system of bank switching that provided additional memory to the OS programs beyond the limit of conventional memory or 640 kilobytes. Expanded memory is an umbrella term for several incompatible technology variants. 5. DIMM. A DIMM or Dual Inline Memory Module, commonly called a RAM stick, comprises a series of dynamic random access memory integrated circuits. These models are mounted or printed circuit board and designed for use in personal computer, workstation, and server. 6. Hard drive. A computer hard drive or a hard disk or HDD is one kind of technology that stores the operation system, application, and data files such as document, picture, and music that your computer uses. The rest of the components in your computer work together to show you the application and files stored on your hard drive. 7. RAM. Computer Random Access Memory or RAM is one of the most important components in determining your system performance. RAM gives application a place to store and access data on a short-term basis. It stores the information your computer is actively using so that it can be accessed quickly. 8. Computer brain. Memory is the faculty of the brain by which data or information is encoded, stored, and retrieved when needed. It is the retention of information over time for the purpose of influence future action. If past events could not be remembered, it would be impossible for language, relationship, or personal identity to develop. 9. DVD. DVD is a type of optical media used for storing digital data. It is the same size as a CD but has a larger storage capacity. Some DVDs are formatted specifically for video playback, while others may contain different types of data, such as software, program, and computer file. 10. System clock. System clock is an electronic device in a computer that uses a steady high-frequency signal that synchronizes all the internet components. 11. Keyboard. A computer keyboard is an input device that allows a person to enter letters, numbers, and other symbols into a computer. Is it one of the most used input devices for computer? 12. Mouse. The mouse is small, movable device that let you control a range of things on a computer. Most types of mouse have two buttons, and some will have a wheel in between the buttons. Most types of mouse connect to the computer with a cable and use the computer power to work. Some types of mouse are wireless. 13 GHz. Gigahertz is a decimal multiple unit of the as a derived unit of frequency hertz and is abbreviated as GHz. 1 GHz is equivalent to the frequency of 109 Hz, expressed as Hz equal 1 GHz multiplied by 109 is 1 billion hijet is the method used in the conversion. 14. Megabyte. A megabyte is 106 or 1 million bytes. 1 megabyte is equal to 1000 kilobyte and preset the gigabytes unit of measurement. While a megabyte is technically 1 million bytes, megabytes are often used synonymously with megabytes, which contain 1 billion and 48 and 76 bytes. 15. Printer. A printer is a device that accepts text and graphic output from a computer and transfers the information to paper, usually to standard size by 80.5 by 11 inch sheets of paper. Printers vary in size, speed, sophistication, and cost. 16. Webcam. A webcam is a video camera that feeds or streams an image or video in real time to or through a computer network such as the internet. Webcams are typically small cameras that sit on a desk, attached to a user monitor, or built into the hardware. 17. Register. Registers are a type of computer memory used to quickly accept, store, and transfer data and instructions that are being used immediately by the CPU. That's all I can explain you about part of computer. If there is a mistake, I'm sorry. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.